Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter W. Our special W words are web, wolf, wasp, whale, and watch. Our special guest words are eggplant and tomato. This is a W. It makes the sound W. Try to say it with me. W. This is a web. Webs are made by spiders, like in the picture. Web. This is a wolf. Wolves are like dogs, but they live in the wild and live in packs. Wolf. This is a wasp. Wasps are stinging insects, so be careful around them. Wasp. This is a whale. Whales live in the ocean, and they're known for their size and their beauty. Whale. This is a watch. People wear watches on their wrists to help them tell time. Watch. Let's play a game. Which word does not belong? Is it web, eggplant, wolf, wasp, whale, or watch? Which do you think does not fit with the others? That's right, it's the eggplant. Eggplant does not have a W sound in it, so it's the odd one out. Let's try again. Which one does not fit? Is it web, tomato, wolf, wasp, whale, or watch? That's right, it's the tomato. Great work. Now, can you find the web? Great job. This is the web. Now, can you point to the wolf? Good job. This is the wolf. Now, find the wasp. Yes, this is the wasp. Can you see the whale? That's right, here's the whale. Now, can you find the watch? Great work. Repeat after me one more time. Web, wolf, wasp, whale, watch. Great job. Follow along at storybee.space for more. I'll see you on the next one.